visit Uncle Edward now. Oh boy, who's Uncle Edward, Big Daddy Gordon? Uncle Edward used to live with me, Henry, Toby, and James. He's your cousin. Oh boy, I could see Cousin James.
Okay, Thomas, here's your lunch.
Oh boy, can't wait to see Uncle Edward. Bye, Big Mommy Emily, and bye, Big Daddy Gordon. Hey, Emily, you wanna have some us time?
Ooh, okay, Gordon.
What, 9,000? So, Emily, wanna have us some more me time?
Gordon, you're such a man.
Stop right there, you two. Oh crap, we're screwed over. Thomas told me that he found a paint bucket, saying that it was a lunchbox even though it had dangerous paint in there. Put your hands to the air! Put your hands to the air! This is the police! This is the frickin' police! Come with us, ma'am. You're under arrest for giving your tainted child dangerous chemicals in a paint bucket.
Well, great. We're stuck here forever.
Oh, the indignity. I'm gonna spank Thomas for doing this. Hello, Big Mommy Emily and Big Daddy Gordon. I want to die.